Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the language on the TikTok app. So this will apply for iOS and Android devices. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the TikTok app and select the profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Select the hamburger icon in the top right, and then you want to select settings and privacy. And now you want to scroll down underneath content and display and select language. And where it says app language, click inside this field here and you can select any language that TikTok supports and then you would select done. I believe you would need to relaunch the app or it would take a couple minutes to actually download the language pack and then you would have to restart the app and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.